Did y'all miss me? Because I missed y'all. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, hey booski. If you cannot tell, I have a cold. I don't know where this cold came from. Actually, I know exactly where it came from. I live in Chicago and it was just 90 degrees the other day and I was at the beach. Today, it's like 47 degrees. The high is like 53. So, yay me. It's 7:50 in the morning and I'm about to go to work. And man, y'all, I'm supposed to be leaving the house at like 8:15. All I did was my skincare. So I'm going to go ahead and tackle my hair, throw my clothes on, and then make some breakfast if I have time, hopefully. I don't know, but I need to be going to Starbucks to get me a medicine ball because my throat is literally aching. And I know what y'all are thinking. Like, why don't you just call off of work? Because I got off last week. So I'm going to have to just pull it together today. I don't know. Maybe I'll leave early if I just can't, handle the smoke. Okay, so fun fact. I've been having my hair in, well, they not in mini twists anymore, but I've been having my hair in mini twists for like 3 weeks because I just felt like I need a new protective style because don't get me wrong, y'all, I love my knotless braids, but that ain't no real protective style. So I just took them down, what's today? Today Tuesday. I just took them down on Sunday. But I just been going to sleep with like spin-off version of mini twists and then taking them down or whatever. So I'm gonna just throw some on the TV real quick and take my hair down. Why did my boss just text me and say, we don't even start till 12:45 today? 12:45? She said, good morning, 12:45 to 5 today. Okay. I mean, I don't know what to do. I could have been sleeping a little longer. I'm a little blue about that. I done took my hair down, like, I mean, I guess I have time to make breakfast and go get my medicine ball still because I wasn't going to be able to because it's 8:08 right now. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to do. Maybe I can go to the gym before I go to work so I don't have to go later. Yeah, because I'm not too much in the mood to go later. Okay. Well then. I'm just so upset because I could have been sleeping longer. Like, on the bright side, it rained last night, so now my car is clean. One less thing for me to do. Come on, Italy. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Nice and hot.
Watermelon definitely be hit or miss sometimes.
Yeah. I know I'm supposed to be boycotting Target, okay? Don't judge me. Okay, snacks for my papa. And that's it. Don't even look nowhere else. Okay, I had to let my camera charge. But I just finished making breakfast. just some whole grain toast, eggs and bacon. I'm about to just chill out for a second. I gotta call around to this community college to set up my summer school session online with them because it doesn't let me do it online. I'm gonna try one more time online, and then if not, I'm gonna just call them. But yeah. Okay, I'm at the gym, you guys, and I really only have 30 minutes to be here, which is unfortunate because today was going to be leg day, but I'm just going to make it like a core and cardio day. Maybe not so much cardio, but I'm going to hit core. You know, as long as you go to the gym, that's all that matters. Like, at least I'm showing up. Amen. Amen. And then right after this, I'm going to go to work. I'm still kind of feeling a little under the weather, but that's okay. I forgot my mic, so there's that. I just ordered another tripod because the one I have is like a mini tripod. And did I just grab it? Oh, please tell me I grabbed it. Okay, I don't think so. I have a mini tripod and I needed a bigger one, so. And just like that, she's in her scrubs. Okay, friend. I'm about to go to work. It's low-key a little warm in my car. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to film when I get to work because HIPAA and whatnot, but it's like a 40-minute drive there. Sorry, like Moneybag, yo, was so rude interrupting us like that. Anywho, I'm about to eat a sandwich as I drive. I got one from Potbelly yesterday. Y'all, I still kind of feel okay. Like in the gym right now, I just felt cool, but I'm back in my car and I'm flaring up a little bit, but it's okay because where I work at, I have to wear a mask the whole time anyway. So, and hopefully I don't gotta be in patient's face too much. I'm okay. It's just like a mild little cold. Anywho, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get to work. Hopefully.
Tell me that ain't insecure. The concept of school seems so.
Y'all, why was I at work for like 2.5 hours? Literally. The last two patients, they had to cancel them because the doctor wasn't in network with them. So I'm at the grocery store so I can get some things to meal prep with. I think I'm gonna do Alfredo and steak because I'm so tired of eating like rice, beans, chicken. Like, I'm sick of it. So it's actually super duper packed in here, so I'm probably just gonna hit y'all when I get home because it's too many people in here. Like, why everybody want to go to the grocery store at the same time as me? You know? Hey, I'm at home. I am about to make Alfredo and steak, and I've never actually made Alfredo with my own sauce, so this should be interesting. I do have some liquid courage today. I've been recording all day. Huh? Okay, first things first, I need to clean my steak. I just cleaned off my steak, so I'm gonna pat it dry. Y'all, I got the windows open right now because my mama hates the smell of red meat ever since she stopped eating it. So, yeah. I think I'm gonna cut the steak up first because they're gonna be steak bites. Do I want to cut it up first? I don't know. I'm gonna ask mama. Do I want to cut it up first? No, I feel like I should cook it first, right? Right. Okay, I'm gonna cook it first. I'm gonna get the stove going. Then I'm gonna season it. Wow. The olive oil. If y'all just see me trip, no, you didn't. No, you didn't. Put it on low. That probably was too much oil, but that's okay. I don't know why every time I cook steak, I feel like I have to be drinking wine while I do it. Even though I went to the gym today. I know. So we're gonna do our pepper. I think I'm gonna call this segment Learning to Love the Kitchen again because as of lately, I've been getting back in my cooking bag, but I feel like I could do like a little series on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Granted, I probably should have been did this because I've been doing my big one in here. I think I'm gonna do garlic powder, pepper, salt, and then a little bit of adobo. I've made steak before, but I haven't perfected how to make a steak, if that makes sense. I'm so happy I just sneezed because I told my boyfriend, like, I feel like the food, well, I seen a post and it said, your food not really seasoned if you not sneezing. And there go my sneeze, honey. Flip it over. I seen on TikTok that they said a lot of pepper will give your steak a really good crust. And seeing as though this is only my second time making it, I'm just gonna listen to them. I'm gonna wait until the oil get really, really hot. Oh, okay. I think that's my cue. I didn't want it to pop me. Hold on, let me turn the camera down so y'all can see it. And then I'm gonna let it cook on that side for, let's do about 6 minutes because I want it in between well done and medium raw. I'm gonna start my pasta, my Alfredo. If you never bought wine from Aldi, you're missing out. Specifically the peach one. So I'm gonna start boiling my noodles. And I think I gotta move you because right now you're sitting on the stove. And I tried to go see if Target had this tripod for my camera, and they had it, but it was $40. But online, I seen it was $15, and the lady acted like she couldn't match the price. So I canceled my Amazon order and I did buy online, pick up in store for the Target that's closer to my job. So I forgot to set the timer. So I'm just gonna flip it. I'm talking to my friends. This is such a big steak. I'm gonna start basting. Don't be a hater, boo. Put some minced garlic up in there. The noodles are in the water. I'm about to, what am I about to do? Oh, chop up this steak, honey. So, I just cleaned off my little chopping board. I'm not gonna lie, the steak is a good color. I'm gonna show y'all. Let me just drizzle her a little bit. Like, tell me she not a decent color. Are you kidding me? Let's see what she's talking about. I'm scared to like touch it. Okay. It's not pink, per. I don't like me no pink steak now. Not like bloody pink, if that makes sense. I'm cutting this so bad because I'm scared to touch it. This is gonna be a legit taste test. Hold on now. I might have did something, y'all. The steak is all cut up. Now it's time to drain my noodles. Before I drain my noodles, I put a teaspoon of salt, pepper, onion, and garlic powder, paprika, and parsley in a bowl, and I'm just mixing it around because y'all, this is gonna be my first time making like a homemade Alfredo sauce. And yeah, I never usually measure seasonings, but I measured it because I need this to come out right, okay? For real. Food too high to be wasted. Okay, so I'm gonna put 4 tablespoons of butter. And this I'm not measuring, so you know. And then I'm gonna do 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Oh my gosh, I just got that all over my jacket. I feel like I should low-key do 3 cups because it's actually a lot of noodles. Cool. Then I'm gonna get some cream of the cheese. I'm not gonna measure it though, so you know. Then we gonna stir that bad boy up. It's the fact that I don't even think all my noodles is gonna fit in here, bro, because it is a lot of noodles. Let me go ahead and measure my cheese, honey. I'm gonna do 1 cup of, oh wait, put my seasoning in here first. Y'all, when it's like towards the end of me cooking, I get real messy. I don't mean to. I'm just ready to be done, honestly. Okay, 1 cup of, what is this? Mozzarella? Yeah, 1 cup of mozzarella. Honestly, I'm not even gonna measure the Parmesan cheese. Okay. Okay, y'all, that's gonna conclude today's video because TT is gonna take a shower, honey. I'm kind of sad because I was actually enjoying vlogging all day today, but it is currently 8:02. I just finished doing the dishes and meal prepping and stuff. I made enough food for a week, and then I made a little extra to give my man some because he might be hungry. And, you know, I'm gonna feed him, man. I hope y'all enjoyed my little day. This is literally what a typical day looks like for me. Like, no funny shit, no bullshit. I'm a little wine tipsy and I love it. I feel like I could do the cha-cha slide or something like that. But if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and talk soon. Cool. Don't forget to like and comment too. Okay, bye. Love y'all.